Tried to find anything in a woman's purse? Don't start it. It's impossible. All right. This is what I carry with me always. You know what it is? It's the Constitution of the United States. Now, I hope you get one. I want every one of you to have one of these, and I hope your schools, are there any people here representing your schools, any faculty or anybody?
Yeah.
Tell them that if I had the power now, which I don't, I'd put out a court order telling the schools they had to give you a constitution to carry.
Sandra Day O'Connor was a formidable American jurist who served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States from 1981 until her retirement in 2006. She was the first woman to serve on the Supreme Court, and she was known for her pragmatic approach to law and her swing vote on many key decisions. O'Connor's tenure on the Supreme Court had a significant impact on American jurisprudence, and she remains a prominent figure in legal history. Sandra Day O'Connor was born on March 26, 1930, and grew up on the Lazy Bee, a cattle ranch in southeastern Arizona, which was owned by her grandfather. She spent her formative years in this rural setting, learning about ranch life and the value of hard work and responsibility. This upbringing had a lasting impact on her and shaped her perspective on various issues, including environmental conservation and land use. Sandra Day O'Connor attended high school in El Paso, Texas, where she was an excellent student and active in extracurricular activities. She graduated from Austin High School in 1946. She earned her Bachelor of Arts degree in economics from Stanford University in 1950. She then went on to study law at Stanford Law School, where she obtained her Juris Doctor, J.D., degree in 1952. At that time, it was unusual for women to pursue careers in law, but O'Connor's determination and intelligence helped her break barriers and achieve success in the legal profession. Sandra Day O'Connor's parents were Harry Alfred Day and Ada Mae Day. Her father was a successful rancher and her mother was a homemaker. They raised Sandra on the family's cattle ranch in Arizona, where she developed a strong work ethic and a deep appreciation for the natural world. Sandra Day O'Connor married John J. O'Connor III in 1952. They had 3 sons together: Scott, Brian, and Jay. The O'Connor family has been an important part of Sandra's life and has supported her throughout her career. Sandra Day O'Connor's interest in law and other careers began to take shape during her undergraduate studies at Stanford University. After earning her Bachelor of Arts in economics, she went on to pursue a law degree at Stanford Law School, where she honed her legal skills and knowledge. O'Connor's dedication and perseverance during her education laid the foundation for her successful career in law and public service. After graduating from law school, Sandra Day O'Connor initially struggled to find a job in the male-dominated legal field. She worked as a deputy county attorney in San Mateo, California, before returning to Arizona, where she served as an assistant attorney general. Later, she entered private practice and also worked in various positions within the Arizona state government. In 1975, O'Connor was appointed to the Arizona Court of Appeals, and in 1981, she made history by becoming the first woman to be appointed to the United States Supreme Court, where she served until her retirement in 2006. O'Connor's work history reflects her dedication to public service and her pioneering role as a woman in the legal profession. She passed away on December 1, 2023 in Phoenix, at the age of 93. Sandra Day O'Connor authored several books. Some of the books written by Sandra Day O'Connor include The Majesty of the Law, Reflections of a Supreme Court Justice, Out of Order, Stories from the History of the Supreme Court. In these books, O'Connor shared her insights and reflections on the judicial system, the Supreme Court, and their impact on American society. Lazy Bee, Growing Up on a Cattle Ranch in the American Southwest, co-authored with H. Alan Day. Finding Susie. The retired Supreme Court Justice recounts her experiences with childhood pets. Sandra Day O'Connor was growing up on a desert ranch surrounded by animals. She wants one to have as her very own pet. A tortoise isn't really friendly, a little rabbit is too fearful, and a young coyote howls to rejoin his pack. A bobcat almost fits the bill, but soon grows too big and fears to be a house cat. Chico. It is a book about a quiet, studious student whose medical doctor father has been arrested as a traitor, is seized by the government and forced into military training. Additionally, she wrote children's books aimed at educating young readers about the importance of civic participation, engagement, and the functioning of the judicial branch. O'Connor's books continue to be influential in promoting a deeper understanding of the law and the role of the judiciary in the United States. These books cover a wide range of topics, including O'Connor's experiences growing up on a cattle ranch, her reflections on the Supreme Court, and stories from the history of the judiciary. Sandra Day O'Connor received numerous awards and honors throughout her distinguished career. Some of the most notable awards and recognitions include the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian honor, which she was awarded by President Barack Obama in 2009. Thomas Jefferson Award in Law, University of Virginia, 1987. She also received the Jefferson Award for Greatest Public Service, benefiting the disadvantaged, and the Henry J. Friendly Medal from the American Law Institute. Jane Addams Award by Rockford College. Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor received Rockford College's Jane Addams Medal, awarded to pioneering women for outstanding contributions to society. Distinguished Public Service Award, Maricopa County Bar Association, May 25, 1987. Distinguished Citizen Award presented by the University of Arizona College of Law, May 22, 1993. Golden Plate Award, American Academy of Achievement, June 27, 1987. The Richard Nelson Curran Award presented by the Lincoln Forum, November 18, 2009. Theodore Roosevelt Woodrow Wilson Public Service Award presented by the American Historical Association, January 6, 2012. Doctor of Laws, Columbia College, Columbia, South Carolina, May 1, 1982. Honorary Doctor of Laws, University of Minnesota Law School. Sandra Day O'Connor is on the Time 100 2017 list. Please note that this is not an exhaustive list. Sandra Day O'Connor has been recognized with honorary degrees from various universities and received accolades for her contributions to the legal field and public service. Sandra Day O'Connor had an estimated net worth of around $8 million at the time of her death in 2023 at age 93. As a public figure and prominent jurist, Sandra Day O'Connor had access to various modes of transportation, including cars. Sandra Day O'Connor was known for her passion for collecting vintage and classic cars. She has been an avid car collector for many years, and has a particular fondness for automobiles with historical significance. In addition to her illustrious legal career, her enthusiasm for car collecting has been an important part of her personal life. However, specific details about her personal vehicles or car ownership are not typically publicly available. Her legacy primarily revolves around her legal career, landmark decisions, and contributions to the judicial system. Also, as a private individual, Sandra Day O'Connor had multiple houses, as individuals with significant means often invest in real estate. However, specific details about her personal real estate holdings are generally considered private. But Sandra Day O'Connor is primarily known for her groundbreaking career as a Supreme Court Justice and her significant impact on constitutional law and jurisprudence. Sandra Day O'Connor made significant contributions to society throughout her career and beyond. Pioneering role. She was the first female justice on the United States Supreme Court, where she served from 1981 to 2006. Her dedication to upholding the rule of law and promoting access to justice for all individuals Advocacy for judicial independence. She advocated for judicial independence and impartiality, which has had a lasting impact on the legal profession. Gender equality. As the first woman to serve on the United States Supreme Court, her landmark decisions and advocacy for gender equality and individual rights played a significant role in shaping American jurisprudence. Civic education. Sandra Day O'Connor's efforts to promote civic education and engagement, particularly among young people, have had a lasting impact on society. She has authored books on the importance of understanding the judicial system and the rule of law, and her commitment to public service and legal scholarship continues to inspire future generations. Alzheimer's Drug Discovery Foundation, ADDF. The ADDF Foundation honored former U.S. Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor and her family at its 11th annual Great Ladies Symposium and virtual event on April 28, 2021. As an outspoken dementia caregiver, she was appointed as the honorary chair of the Alzheimer's Drug Discovery Foundation and served on the Alzheimer's Study Group, ASG. The Sandra Day O'Connor Institute. She was the founder of the institute that offers an array of programs in support of the mission to advance democracy through multi-generational civil discourse, education, and civic engagement. Civics. This organization was founded by Justice Sandra Day O'Connor in 2009 to ensure that all Americans have the knowledge and will to participate in our unique experiment in self-government. Her work as a public speaker and author, sharing her insights on law, democracy, and civic engagement. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which Sandra Day O'Connor contributed to society throughout her career. Her impact on the legal profession, civic education, and public discourse continues to be felt today. Long live the memory of Sandra Day O'Connor. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave comment, and share this video. And please turn on your notification in order to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.